ever wondered what separates the rich from the average Joe? It's not just the size of their bank accounts, but their mindset. Millionaires, billionaires, any successful individuals, they all share a common trait, an abundance mindset. Imagine the world as a giant apple orchard. A person with a scarcity mindset sees a finite number of trees and thinks, I need to grab as many apples as I can before they're all gone. But a person with an abundance mindset, like our millionaires, they see the same orchard and think, how can I plant more trees? This mindset is what drives their daring ventures. Take Elon Musk, for instance. He didn't just see the Earth and its limited resources. He saw the unlimited potential of space. Electric cars, same story. His mindset encourages him and others like him to take risks, to innovate, to push boundaries. Remember, a scarcity mindset sees a pie and thinks, there's only so much to go around. An abundance mindset sees the same pie and thinks, how can we make more pies? Did you know that Bill Gates reads 50 books a year? That's 1 book a week. Impressive, isn't it? Now you might be wondering, why do successful people like Gates invest so much time in reading? The answer is simple: knowledge. In the world of the wealthy, knowledge is not just power. It's the secret sauce, the magic ingredient that can turn simple ideas into gold mines. Warren Buffett, another billionaire, is known for spending about 80% of his day reading. Why? Because he understands that the more he knows, the more he grows. Continuous learning and knowledge acquisition are not just hobbies for these successful individuals. They are ingrained habits, part of their daily routines. They devour books, articles, reports, anything that can give them a fresh perspective or a new insight. So, if you're dreaming of joining the Millionaire Club, remember this: knowledge is power, and the more you have, the more equipped you are to seize opportunities. Ever heard the saying, your network is your net worth? Well, it's not just a catchy phrase, it's a principle many successful people swear by. Networking, or the art of building and nurturing professional relationships, is a key ingredient in the recipe of success. Take Richard Branson, for instance. The man behind the Virgin Group didn't just build an empire, he built a vast network of connections. Branson's ability to connect with people from all walks of life, from his employees to fellow entrepreneurs and even world leaders, has been instrumental in his success. Networking isn't just about shaking hands and exchanging business cards. It's about developing relationships that are mutually beneficial. It's about connecting on a deeper level, understanding each other's needs, and finding ways to help each other succeed. So, if you're looking to build your wealth, it's time to start building your network. Remember, in the world of the wealthy, it's not just what you know, but who you know. Can you resist a marshmallow for 15 minutes if it meant getting two later? This, my friends, is the essence of delayed gratification. It's about foregoing immediate pleasure to reap greater rewards in the future. Think of Jeff Bezos, who started Amazon from his garage. He didn't become the richest man in the world overnight. No, he waited, he hustled, and he remained patient. He held off immediate rewards, constantly reinvesting in his business and waiting for the bigger payoff down the line. You see, the wealthiest individuals understand that success is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about planting seeds today that will grow into massive trees tomorrow. It's about understanding that the sweetest fruits come from the trees that take the longest to grow. It's about knowing that the most precious treasures are often buried the deepest. The rich know that patience is not just a virtue, but a key to wealth. Did you know that some of the wealthiest people are also the most generous? Fascinating, isn't it? This generosity, this act of giving back, is a cornerstone of their success. Let's take Bill Gates, for instance, the co-founder of Microsoft, one of the richest men on the planet. Yet he's pledged to donate the majority of his wealth to charity. He's not alone in this noble endeavor. Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, has also committed to giving away 99% of his fortune. These luminaries understand that amassing fortunes isn't just about living in the lap of luxury. They see the bigger picture. They recognize their responsibility to use their wealth to improve society, to tackle global issues, and to create opportunities for those less fortunate. The lesson here: it's not just about making money, it's about making a difference. And so, we end on this note. True wealth isn't just about accumulating riches, it's about making a difference. If you found this video helpful and want to see more valuable content like this, please consider giving us a thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos and join our growing community of savvy viewers. Don't miss out.